Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can change your profile picture in a Mobile Legend game. So super simple, you are just going to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. Okay,
Aku akan memilih jalanku sendiri.
right, you can click on your profile picture. So click change avatar. So you can select this character you like, or just import from your gallery. Just click edit or replace. So change, click edit and take photo or photo album below. So then select your what do you like, click confirm, replace. Okay, so go, your profile picture has been changed. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.